We're going to do the thing that I swore I'd never do ever again. Which is
look at comments?
Yeah, respond to comments.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't remember which episode. 192. We had discussed lead paint being, a problem for previous generations, and kind of thinking out loud, what would be the equivalent for our generation? What's going to be the thing that we look back at in 20 years and go, man, I can't believe we put that in stuff. And we got quite a few responses. I can go down a couple of them for you. Please. One person says,
some good ones.
Epoxy resin for sure.
I could believe the like if you're sanding it, and if you've ever run it through the planer before, it's pretty. All these little fibers come out and they stick to everything. So,
static charge, right?
Yeah.
Static charge. I could picture those sticking to the inside of your lungs in an unfun way.
I could see that. Did they substantiate why they believe that, or was it just epoxy resin was the response?
Just epoxy resin, for sure.
Yeah,
that's fair.
I wouldn't worry about like a table. Would you guys worry about like if you had a river table as your dining table?
I don't know enough about the material to say.
Yeah.
I mean, I would assume no.
I gotta say, if you got an epoxy river table in your house, one way or another, you're gonna regret that in about 10 years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's two separate conversations to be had there. What about cures? Because I've had people go off on me for not wearing a mask when pouring it.
Yeah, but you see that some of those companies say that they're low VOC.
Yeah, like the one I use is Epoxy, and it doesn't even there's zero smell when you use it.
Yeah, but low VOC isn't no VOC.
It's true. It's true. But also just because something has VOC, like I remember Suman doing like a VOC testing, and he found that like ketchup has VOCs and white vinegar has VOCs. So just because something has VOCs doesn't necessarily mean it's dangerous.